These are the dogs in the yard today. It's so quiet. I just love it. Way in the distance is Riata. She's here for breeding. She'll have puppies early January. Far middle of your screens, Cooper, Black and White Party. In front of me is Gypsy and Cricket. These are my next two girls due to deliver. Cricket in the next couple days, Gypsy in about a week. And then over here, Talia. Her pups are just about ready to go home. Trixie just had her litter. Shelby. There's Shelby. Her puppies have gone home. Of course, she's ours, so she's here. And there's Cleo. And just listen to how peaceful it is.